Hey everyone, it's Dr. Mike, and I'm excited to be here with Nandi on Between Two White Coats. We're diving into wellness trends, cutting through the noise to give you the real deal. Today, we're breaking down the biggest wellness trends of 2025, the ones actually backed by science. From tech revolutionizing aging to mental fitness, let's empower you to make informed choices for a healthier, happier you. Alright, let's kick things off with a trend that's taken the world by storm: longevity. Who doesn't want to live a longer, healthier life, right? But 2025 is the year things get really interesting. We're seeing consumer-grade technology putting longevity science directly into your hands. Think at-home testing kits, wearables tracking heart rate variability and sleep quality, and apps promising to optimize your lifestyle. But hold on a second. While the science behind longevity is promising, not all tech is created equal. We're still in the early stages, and some biological age clocks can vary significantly. Use these tools for awareness, not anxiety. Remember, the foundation of a long and healthy life remains the same: regular exercise, quality sleep, and a nutritious diet. Think of technology as a powerful ally, not a replacement for the fundamentals. Use wearables to track your sleep, but also prioritize a consistent sleep schedule. Utilize fitness trackers to monitor activity levels, but make sure you're moving in ways you enjoy. And when it comes to nutrition, focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Sustainable changes are always more impactful than quick fixes. Combine technology with the wisdom of healthy living for a longer, more vibrant life. Now let's talk about mental well-being. In 2025, we're shifting from treating mental illness to cultivating mental fitness. Think of it like hitting the gym, but for your mind. Meditation apps like Calm and Headspace are incorporating cognitive training exercises, and workplaces are offering resilience coaching. Mental fitness is an incredible tool, but it's not a replacement for therapy when needed. It's about building a strong mental foundation. Journaling can help process emotions and gain self-awareness. Mindfulness practices like meditation can train your mind to stay present and manage stress. Working with a coach can provide personalized guidance and support. If you're struggling with a mental health condition, seeking professional support is a sign of strength. Embrace mental fitness, but also remember it's okay to ask for help. Taking care of your mental health is just as important as physical health. Chapter 3. Personalized Nutrition, Beyond the Buzz. We've all been bombarded with conflicting diet advice, but in 2025, get ready for a revolution in how we eat with personalized nutrition. Imagine a diet tailored to your specific needs and goals. We're talking about microbiome testing, DNA-based meal plans, and continuous glucose monitors. But before you jump on the bandwagon, let's inject a dose of reality. This field is still evolving, and not all services are created equal. Use these tools as guides, not gospel. Nutrition is not one size fits all, and your needs can change over time. Qualified professionals like registered dietitians are your trusted allies. Embrace personalized nutrition, but do so with a critical eye. It's about finding what works best for you, your body, and your lifestyle. Prioritize evidence-based advice over trendy influencer recommendations. Chapter 4. Corporate Wellness. 3.0 From Perks to Progress. Let's talk about corporate wellness. For too long it's been step count competitions and occasional office yoga. But in 2025, we're seeing a shift. Corporate wellness is becoming an integral part of company culture. Companies are offering mental health stipends and recognizing the importance of emotional well-being. We're seeing 4-day work weeks and mindfulness practices integrated into the workday. But not all companies are created equal. True corporate wellness requires a holistic approach. It's about creating a culture of support, open communication, and psychological safety. Employees, advocate for your needs and inquire about the company's approach to wellness. Leaders, create a workplace that supports holistic health. Invest in comprehensive wellness programs and lead by example. Chapter 5. Nature-based wellness, reconnecting with what matters. We've all felt the pull of the great outdoors. In 2025, we're seeing a resurgence of nature-based wellness practices. Research shows that spending time in nature can lower cortisol levels, boost mood, improve focus, and enhance creativity. But true wellness goes beyond aesthetics. It's about fostering a genuine connection with the natural world. Make a conscious effort to be present during your time outdoors. Engage your senses and be fully immersed in the experience. Incorporate nature into your daily routine in meaningful ways. Instead of being glued to your phone, step outside and savor your meal surrounded by trees. Consider unplugging from technology and planning a hike or camping trip. Nature is a powerful source of healing, rejuvenation, and inspiration. Chapter 6, Your Wellness Journey. So there you have it. A look at the most noteworthy wellness trends shaping 2025. True wellness isn't about chasing fads, it's about finding what works for you and making sustainable changes. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment on which trend excites you most. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay well.